In a fast-paced world, driven by technology and innovation, advanced electronics will play a vital role in shaping a better future. Welcome to Mefron. We are one of India's leading electronics manufacturing companies, operating from 150,000 square feet state-of-the-art facility in Gujarat. We provide end-to-end electronics manufacturing services, supported by a world-class manufacturing infrastructure. Our capabilities include advanced PCB assembly, utilizing top-tier SMT lines and through-hole technology to ensure precision and consistency. Reliability is central to our wire harness manufacturing. We carefully handle every step from cutting and crimping cables and assembling connectors. Using advanced tooling machines, we manufacture high-quality molds, followed by plastic injection molding services to produce consistent and dimensionally accurate plastic components. On the final assembly line, our team skillfully assembles, tests and packages the electronic devices after final quality inspections. For quality-critical applications, Mefron operates a Class 100,000 cleanroom facility to ensure a controlled manufacturing environment. Further strengthening our integrated manufacturing capabilities, we offer sheet metal fabrication and spray painting services. For customers seeking product design and engineering services, Mefron houses an R&D team that designs and develops manufacturable market-ready products. Strategically located near major seaports and airports and backed by strong global supply chain partnerships, we serve customers globally with quick turnarounds. We cater to diverse industries such as automotive, medical electronics, consumer electronics, industrial and IoT and more. Our industry-specific certifications reflect our commitment to precision, safety and reliability. We also assist our customers in achieving globally accepted certifications. We follow Kaizen and lean manufacturing principles to improve quality and reduce defects. Through responsible practices and sustainable initiatives, we are working towards a greener, better future. Strong leadership drives Mefron's vision, aligning teams to deliver operational excellence. We believe our strength lies in our over 1,200 skilled professionals, working together toward a shared goal with passion and purpose. At Mefron, we are not just an electronics manufacturing company. We are a team united by innovation and excellence. Together, we are shaping the future of electronics